In this video, I'm going to explain question set 28. There are 5 questions. The first question is, what is the highest mark obtained in Sinhala literature in all term examinations of all the students of class B? So select to get the highest. I'm going to use the max keyword, mark from student exam mark record, inner join the student table on check if student exam mark record dot student index number is equal to student index number, and inner join we need the class table, so class on student dot class id is equals to class id, and we need inner join the subject table on student exam mark record the subject id is equal to subject dot subject id, where subject is Sinhala language and literature, subject name Sinhala language and literature, class name is 11B. So the answer is 99. The second question is, what is the highest mark and subject of Sachitra Wickramasinghe first term? What is the highest mark and subject of Sachitra Wickramasinghe's first term subjects in all subjects? So we have to get the highest mark and the subject name. Select max, highest mark, so max, and we have to get the subject name from student exam mark record. We have to inner join subject, check student exam mark record table subject id is equal to subject dot subject id, where in here not max mark, in here mark, to get the mark. So it says first term, what is the highest mark and subject of Sachitra Wickramasinghe's first term subjects in all subjects. So mark in here, where mark, so I'm going to write subquery, so select the highest mark, so get the max mark from student exam mark record, inner join with the student table on student exam mark record student index number equals to student dot index number, and the inner join to get the exam term table, so inner join exam term on exam term student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id, where first name and the last name is Sajitra Wickramasinghe. The exam term name is first term. The first name is Sajitra and last name is Wickramasinghe and term name is first term. So this is the answer, 85.5. The mark is 85.5. The subject name is Sinhala language and literature. So the third question is, find the name and mark of the students who scored between 70 and 90 marks in the mathematics subject in the first term examination. So we have to find the name, first name, last name and the mark from student exam mark record, inner join student table on student exam mark record dot student dot exam record student exam mark record dot student index number equals to student dot index number and inner join we need the subject and the exam turntable as well. Subject on student exam mark record dot subject id is equals to subject dot subject table id and inner join again to get the exam turntable. So exam term on student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term dot term id, where subject name is mathematics, first term examination, subject name mathematics and term name is first term first term and mark is between 70 and 90. So this is the answer for the third question. So the fourth question is, find the subject and mark with the highest mark obtained in mathematics and science subjects in Amanda Moses first term examination. In here we don't need to find the highest mark, instead we have to only find the marks. So in here select the subject name and the mark from student exam mark record table, inner join student on student exam mark record dot student index number is equal to student table index number. We need the subject table as well. So subject on student exam mark record dot subject id is equal to subject dot subject id and inner join exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam term 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 id is equals to exam term dot term id, where subject are subject, so subject in, I'm going to use in because both subjects are in the same column. So mathematics and science subjects are in the same column, so therefore I'm going to use in, and term name is first term and the name is Amanda Moses. First name Amanda and last name Moses. So this is the answer. Mathematics 90 marks, science 75 marks. The last question is Madara Vanasekara find the highest marks in the mathematics and science and Sinhala language and literature in the second term examination. So we have to get the select max mark from student exam mark record table, inner join student table on student exam mark record dot student index number is equal to student dot index number, inner join, then the subject table on student exam mark record dot subject id equal to subject dot subject id, inner join exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam term table, term id equals to exam term table id, where subject name in mathematics, science and Sinhala language and literature, and the first name and we need the last name as well. First name is Madara and lastly the term name, which is second term. So the answer is 85. So this is all for this questionnaire. Thank you for watching.